That's loud. Always wanted to do this.
I know.
Whatever. We're at the Sheraton, and this is our room for a couple of days. Let's see what it looks like.
Not too bad.
Not bad at all. King size bed, an ocean view. People.
I just saw a whale.
Did you?
Yeah.
Oh, well, let's go out on the. We have a lanai. We got an oceanside room with a lanai. If- Oh yeah, that just needs to be open.
Right up there.
That's a rock.
No, it's not.
So here you go. Well, if the storm does hit and the waves are crashing right there, that'd be awesome. That'd be awesome. I don't think it's a rock.
It's a kayak with moving. This is nice.
Mm-hmm. So we have an oceanfront room. Really nice. Nice big TV. More people.
Huh.
King size bed. All the amenities. Whatever those are. What are amenities? Aren't amenities those things that live in Florida, those sea cows? Or river cows? Well, those are manatees, not manatees. Look at this. Is this a complimentary? Do you get to keep this?
Mm-hmm. That is her raise on the bay.
Ah. Pretty nice. Somewhat dated. But
Who cares?
who cares?
The bench slides on out.
Mm-hmm. Got a bathroom. There's towels.
Yeah, this is pretty nice down here.
Nice big closet. I put our stuff in there.
Oh, sweet. Robes.
Mm-hmm.
All the normal hotel-y stuff.
More people. There's lots of people in this
We can
room.
get a new room.
This one's occupied.
This one's got people in